Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel with a new video. Have you ever wondered how food stays fresh long for weeks, months, or even years? The secret lies in chemistry, from ancient drying technique to high-tech irradiation. Humans have always fought against spoilage. Today we will explore the fascinating chemistry behind food preservation, how science keeps our food safe and delicious. So let's start. Thousands of years ago, before refrigerators, people relied on simple but brilliant method to preserve food. The first method which was used was drying or dehydration. Drying removes water, making it impossible for bacteria and mold to grow. Chemically, it's all about water activity. The less water, the longer food lasts. Then comes salting and curing. Salt doesn't just add flavor, it sucks water out of microbes through osmosis, killing them. Ancient civilization even used nitrates to cure meat, preventing deadly botulism. Do you know how cabbage turned into a sauerkraut? Yeah, it is a process called as fermentation. Fermentation is nature's chemistry lab. Bacteria convert sugar into acids, creating tangy yogurt, kimchi, and other things into very tasty products. As the civilizations advanced, so did preservation techniques. Do you have any idea how jams and honey last forever? Sugar in them acts like salt, trapping water so microbes cannot survive in it. That is why jams and honey last forever. Another one is the pickling, which is based on the acid power. Acids like vinegar having low pH, making food too hostile for bacteria. Pickles owe their crunch to chemistry. Today we have leveled up with high-tech preservations. Compounds like benzoates and sorbates stop mold and bacteria in their tracks. But are they safe? Science says yes. In small doses, they are completely safe. Ever noticed packaged in a protective atmosphere? Companies replace oxygen with nitrogen or carbon dioxide to keep food fresh for longer. Gamma rays kill pathogens without heat, while high pressure smashes microbe, no cooking required. So, what's next? Scientists are developing edible coatings from shrimp shells, plant based preservatives, even smart packagings that detects spoilage. From ancient sun drying to space age tech, chemistry keeps our food safe and tasty. Next time you enjoy a pickle or a packaged snack, remember science made it possible. Which preservation method surprised you the most? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious science. Thanks for watching.